Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about monochromatic color. So some of my students ask about what is a monochromatic color. Can we make an art just using only monochromatic color? Let's see. Let's check this video until the end. Can we make the monochromatic color in watercolor? So let's check this video until to the end. So, what is a monochromatic? Monochromatic is a single color that have a gradation. For example, if you have a blue, light blue, brown, a purple, or yellow, or other else color that you have, it shows there is a dark and light that we call it a gradation. So, every color that one, a single color that one, it contain dark and light. So you can see the example over here. For the blue one, the main blue in the middle, if you go to the left it would become light, and if you go to the right it become dark. Okay, now I'm going to paint using a monochromatic color. I already prepare the paper A5 size paper, and I use a tape to make a frame. This is my palette. So I'm going to choose one color for the first time, is the green one. I use a flat brush